Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we are going to replace the front and rear cameras on Oneplus Nord mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The first step is the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, you can use a heat gun, heat pad or hair dryer. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive around. Now you can take out the back cover. Next, needs to take out the mainboard protector frame by undoing screws. Undo 11 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Disconnect the battery plug. It is not required, but it is safe for the device. Next, loosen the adhesive and take out both front cameras by unplugging the connectors. There are 4 rear cameras on Oneplus Nord. Let's start disconnecting it. It is a 4-in-1 unit. As we have noticed, it can replace individually with little work. By using a tweezer, give a slight push to take out the depth camera. And take out the macro camera by taking off the ring protector and slight force from the camera's rear side. For the wide camera, give a little push by the camera top. And the main camera stays the same. There are 2 front cameras on Oneplus Nord, wide and ultra wide. It can separate it by taking off the adhesive. For the repair, just replace the required camera and start putting back together. Now you can place the back camera module and front camera on the logic board by connecting the plugs.
Also, do not forget to plug the battery connector. Next, add the main board protector frame by inserting 11 screws. Before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding 2 tightened rubber bands to bond the back cover. Leave it for some time and remove the rubber bands. On the professional level, you can use screen bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.